In the vibrant town of Rivershade, a girl named Alina lived with her family. She was clever, creative, and full of energy. Everyone admired her curiosity, but there was one problem. She had no discipline. Alina often woke up late, ignored her responsibilities, and spent hours dreaming of adventures instead of working on her talents. Her parents warned, Alina, without discipline, talent alone will not take you far. Her teachers said the same, and neighbors whispered, she could do so much if only she focused. But Alina laughed it off. Life is short. Why follow rules? She thought. One day, wandering aimlessly in the town square, Alina noticed Master Ishan, a wise man known for his steady routine and calm demeanor. Children and apprentices worked under him, crafting pottery, painting, and learning skills. Alina was intrigued. She approached him and asked, why do you make them follow such strict schedules? Isn't talent enough? Master Ishan smiled gently. Talent is like clay. Without shaping, it cannot become strong or beautiful. Discipline molds it into something extraordinary. Alina went home, thinking about his words, but old habits pulled her back. She played with friends, ignored her studies, and procrastinated. That night, she remembered Master Ishan's advice and wondered if discipline could really change her life. Resolving to try, she woke up before sunrise the next day, a battle against her own laziness. She quietly left home and met Master Ishan in his workshop. He greeted her warmly. Your first victory is waking up early. Remember, overcoming yourself is the hardest battle. Master Ishan showed her the apprentices at work. Some were molding clay, some painting patterns, others cleaning tools or organizing materials. See, Alina, he said. Each one follows a simple routine every day. They don't skip work because they know small, steady efforts create mastery. Discipline is not about rules. It is about respect for yourself and your goals. Inspired, Alina began her journey. She made a schedule, waking up early, practicing pottery, reading, studying, and taking short breaks for fun. The first few weeks were tough. She stumbled, felt lazy, and sometimes wanted to quit. Friends laughed at her, saying, why waste your time on schedules? But Alina remembered Master Ishan's words. Discipline turns effort into excellence. Gradually, Alina noticed changes. She completed her tasks without rushing, her creations improved, and she felt proud of her work. She began teaching younger children in the town, showing them how simple, consistent effort could bring results. People admired her dedication. Alina's talent is remarkable, they said, but her true strength is her discipline. Months passed, and Alina became a symbol of diligence in Rivershade. She learned that discipline was not a one-time effort but a daily habit. Master Ishan told her, even a river shapes a stone slowly, one drop at a time. Your small efforts every day are carving your success. Alina smiled, realizing that self-control and perseverance mattered more than shortcuts or instant gratification. By the end, Alina's life had completely changed. She achieved her goals, inspired the town, and earned the respect of everyone. Whenever someone asked for advice, she said, discipline is the secret. Conquer your own laziness, and the world becomes easier. Master Ishan nodded proudly. You have discovered the greatest power, a disciplined heart. Talent, intelligence, even Luck are fleeting, but discipline endures. Alina understood the truth. Discipline is freedom. Freedom to achieve, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. And Rivershade never forgot the girl who learned that small daily actions can transform a life. Thank you for watching today's story. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more stories that inspire the soul. Let wisdom guide your steps, and may peace follow you always.